it's Mihaela from blondelish.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto salmon and broccoli. This is a recipe from my second cookbook, 30-minute keto. I've created these keto recipes out of necessity, and I call it the next generation keto. They are quick and easy, family-friendly keto meals loaded with low-carb veggies, things that most keto recipes lack completely. I'll leave the link down below, so make sure you check it out. Now, let's see the keto salmon and broccoli, a nutritious, hearty dinner ready in less than 30 minutes. Season the salmon fillets with salt and black pepper. In a large non-stick skillet over medium heat, combine the oil and butter. When the butter is foamy, add the salmon, skill side down, and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, or until it's browned and crispy. Gently flip the salmon and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on the opposite side, or until it's flaky. Transfer the salmon to a plate and cover to keep it warm. Reduce the heat to a medium-low. Add the garlic and sauté for about 1 minute or until it's fragrant. Add the broth and cream and bring the mixture to a simmer. Stir in the cream cheese with a whisk, mixing the ingredients until the cream sauce starts to melt into the broth and transforms the mixture into a smooth sauce. Stir in the broccoli and season the mixture with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Cook the broccoli for 6 to 8 minutes, spooning over the bubbly sauce until the broccoli is tender and bright green. Return the salmon to the skillet and spoon the creamy sauce over the fillets. Cook the salmon in the sauce for 2 minutes or until it's hot. Remove the skillet from heat. That was it, foodies! You'll find this recipe plus many more in my cookbook, 30-minute keto. Get yours now and don't forget to review it on Amazon so other keto foodies can find it too.